this is the current state of my closet. Not looking too good.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am doing my closet clean out part 2 today. That is why I am currently sitting in my closet right now. I am a bit overwhelmed because I have so many pairs of shoes. So right now I'm going to be going through all my shoes. A lot of them are boots and booties like this, and we are going to get rid of a lot of them. I'll show you what my shelves over here look like right now. In the last video, I cleared out these shelves and wiped them down, and I did start organizing some of the shoes, and then I had other things to do. So now we're resuming this project, and let me tell you guys, there's a lot to do. Don't mind the cleaning supplies right here, but this is what it's looking like so far. These are sweatpants, sweatshirts, and then my booties down here. These I think I'm giving away, but yeah, so we're just gonna fill these. And then I think up here, I'm going to put any leftover shoes that I don't wear that often, but I'm hoping to only have shoes on these shelves just because I don't need any more than that, let's be honest. So I'm going to quite literally just start picking the shoes up and then deciding if I need them and then find the pair. And obviously, if I don't want them, I'll put them over here in the middle of my room. And if not, I'll put them on my shelf. Let's get started. Okay, so we're sitting in my closet again, obviously, and I'm just gonna start grabbing some shoes. So the first shoes that I see are these, and I've honestly never worn them before, and honestly they're not even that cute. I don't know why I bought them. Like, they're literally metallic. Like, where would I ever wear these? So I'm gonna get rid of these. I'll find the pair to it eventually, the other make. These are hard. These are very cute, but I feel like they're just not practical. Just because they have, like, you know, you can't really wear a sock with them. They're more of like a summer shoe. They look like a regular booty, but obviously they're not. So I think I'm going to get rid of these as well. I just have way too many booties in general. These I'm most definitely going to keep just because I love these. These are my go-to tall black heeled boots for the winter. So we are going to keep these. I'll put these over here for now just because I have no other room. Ooh, these are hard. These I got at the good old TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I think it was Marshalls actually. And they're just like these heeled little boots. I feel like these are really good and they're very good quality. So I think I am going to keep these. I have to start thinking about like what I'm going to wear in my like professional life. Like, you know, business stuff, like business attire or whatever. So I think I will keep those. These are super cute too, but these just give me like 2014 vibes, you know? I feel like every girl had these. I literally got these from JCPenney. I know JCPenney is unfortunately out of business, so I am going to get rid of these. Here's the mate. So I finished going through all of my shoes. I just showed you guys some. So now I'm going to finish filling this row with the ones that I decided to keep. Okay, you guys, I think that I'm finally done with my shelves. So here is what all my shoes lined up looks like and everything else that I've put in here and whatnot. So these are high heels, like wedges, sandals. Start with booties, then booties. And then I have my longer boots right here, and then just a little overflow here, and then I put a few shoes up there. But yeah, it's looking a lot cleaner over here. Let me show you guys the shoes that I'm giving away. So these are all the shoes that I am getting rid of. I'll be selling them probably on Poshmark or just give them to Plato's Closet or Goodwill. So now we're gonna move on to the clothes on the floor. Now that the shoes are fully done, so I'm literally just gonna go through this stuff, hang it up, or put it in a giveaway pile, and then figure it out from there. So we got all that done, and now we still have so much more to do, even though I feel like I just accomplished a lot. So I have so much stuff on the ground here, and I'm just gonna go through them with you guys, whatnot, and I'm probably gonna have a giveaway, a hang up, a try on, and a sell pile. So let's get started. So these are a pair of sweatpants from Calvin Klein that I can put in my little new sweatpants bin. So I'll just fold them and put them on over here. Another pair of sweatpants. This shirt clearly needs a lint roller on it, so I'll take care of that in a bit. So I think a lot of these clothes are just clothes that are too lazy to hang up. That's what it seems like, at least, because a ton of them are in hangers. Maybe I just didn't have enough room, because I did like a huge closet clean out like a few weeks ago, and my closet was so packed that I didn't have room to like put new stuff up. These are a size 6, so these are just too big on me. I got them in a size 6 and a 4 because sometimes in between, especially since Princess Polly can run so small. So I think I'm gonna try them on, and I'll probably end up selling them though, so keep a lookout on my Poshmark for those. These I ordered both online before COVID hit on Amazon, and since obviously COVID came, I returned all my stuff from Amazon to Kohl's. So it's finally open again, so I need to go return both these. So I'm just gonna put them like in a corner of my room, and I'll go there in a day or two. Okay, so I realized that a lot of the stuff on the floor right here are clothes that I just need to hang up. Like a ton of them are already on hangers, so I don't know why I just left them there like I said earlier. So I'm literally just gonna hang them up right now / go through them like I just was. But yeah, most of them just have to be hung up. My hair is looking so blonde. Wow. I get sidetracked easily. Why do I have this? What the heck? Giving it away. You guys, I didn't even know this was down here. This used to be like a shoe organizer that was up here. My mom took it down because she thought that it was too heavy one day when I was like in college, whatever. And it has all these sandals in here. I have more shoes. Oh my goodness. Interesting. So I'll throw that out here. We'll worry about that later. This was easily my favorite prom dress ever. This is so pretty. I wish I could wear it every day. I just love the like beading on it. It's so pretty. So this is one of my decorations that I use when I went to school, like in my dorm and stuff. So I'm actually going to put that up in my room somewhere in a little bit, probably on my dresser, just for a while. Might as well, you know, use it and utilize it. So now I took a bunch of my skirts that were up here, and I'm going to fold them and put them right here where this hanger is. I'll obviously move the hanger. And I stacked my little sweatpants thing. I actually have another one of these, so I may clear it out and then put the skirts in there, but for right now I'm just going to fold them and put them here so I have more room on this rack, also I can make sure all my prom dresses are like fine, because a few of them keep falling. I don't want them to get damaged or anything. And obviously I need to go through all my jeans because I have way too many, but we're not going to do that right now. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing right now. I also had an outfit change. Obviously, you can tell. Sunday fun day, y'all. It actually is Sunday. I never said this at the beginning, but it's June 7th at 6 o'clock, and I'm about to go to a cookout right now. So I'm just finishing the last few things that I can, and then we're going to go to the cookout and probably finish this tonight or tomorrow. But I'm hoping tonight because I'd like to edit this video and get it done by tonight. So let's take care of these skirts. Getting rid of this. I don't need her. Literally, I've had her since like sophomore year of high school. Saying goodbye. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from my cookout, and guess what? I can walk anywhere in my closet now. So it is 9:30, and I'm finally done. I will show you guys what my closet looks like now. I definitely will probably be doing another video soon, cleaning out more stuff in my closet, but I do have to say I think it looks pretty good right now. The carpets are a little dirty. Don't mind that. We're getting our carpets cleaned in, I think, a week. I still need a vacuum in here. I'm gonna vacuum my entire room tomorrow, so I'm just waiting till then, until I vacuum my entire room to vacuum this room, just because I have some out there that I need to put away and whatnot. But yeah, let me show you guys what the final look looks like. Oh, here's our shelves from before. Oh, don't mind those two things. I need to throw that away. That's an old camera yearbook. It's looking all organized. So I put all my skirts right here, and this is a homecoming dress. The straps fell off since it's strapless, like little plastic straps fell off to hang it up, so I just put it right there so like it doesn't get messed up. And then my usual closet here, and the floors are dirty, but you can at least walk in here now. These are all just duffel bags. Yeah, this is all clean now. Back there is just a bunch of extra hangers, those rain boots, and then one cover from my prom dresses that I don't have on it right now. But yeah, you guys, besides obviously the carpet being dirty, the closet is looking good. This is the cleanest it's been in so long. So now that we're all done with this project, I am gonna stop the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you coming along with me and cleaning my closet with me today. As I've gone to college through the years and whatnot, I've never really deep cleaned this room or this closet probably for like 3 to 4 years, probably since like my senior year of high school, and I'm about to be a senior in college. So that's wild, just because, you know, you're coming and going and you're throwing stuff in here, taking stuff out and whatnot. And it was never like my primary closet. My primary closet was the one at school. So yeah, I'm so glad that it's finally clean, and that we're getting the carpets cleaned soon as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate every single view, every single like, and all my new subscribers. If you did like this video and this type of content, please subscribe down below to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!